Hi, there. Now, it certainly is a challenge to find the 5 best carpet cleaning machines to buy worthy of your earned money. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Anyone looking for a deep cleaning carpet machine with easy-to-use features and impressive cleaning power will be satisfied with the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. This upright carpet cleaner offers 2 cleaning modes, Max Clean and Express Clean. The Max Clean setting is ideal for deep cleaning heavily soiled carpeting, while the Express Clean uses less formula and water for faster drying times. Our product tester found both modes to be useful and reported that only a single pass with this carpet cleaner was required to remove dirt and leave behind cleaner carpets. One thing to know is that the BISSELL ProHeat technology maintains water temperature, but you'll still need to put hot water in the tank to start your cleaning session. However, another feature that makes the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro stand out from the competition is its easy fill tank. While it must be used with compatible carpet cleaner formulas, you simply fill to a marked line on the tank, no need to measure liquid formula. The attachments that come with this carpet cleaner are more than cheap add-ons. The 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool can be used in wet or dry mode and has rubber bristles for capturing pet hair. A small bin on the attachment itself contains collected hair and dirt instead of sending this debris into the dirty water tank. Even people without pets will appreciate this useful tool on upholstered furniture since it's suitable for above-floor cleaning tasks. A 3-inch scrubbing tool is also included for hand scrubbing stains, along with a nozzle cleaning tool for clearing the brush head. Number 2. Our second best pick is Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. Carpet fibers easily hide pet hair, dander, and dirt, making it hard to get a thorough clean without deep agitation and powerful cleaning from a carpet cleaner. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner delivers both, making this option the leader of the pack when it comes to the best carpet cleaner for pet owners. Pet parents will appreciate the Power Spin Pet antimicrobial brush roll that drives bristles into the fibers of carpets and rugs to loosen and collect hair. Cleaning this brush roll can be a challenge, though Hoover includes a nozzle cleaning tool to assist with the dirty job. In product testing, we found that the Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner consistently extracted pet hair from carpeted surfaces and produced a visible difference between cleaned and uncleaned areas. Separate clean and dirty water tanks ensure that the extracted dirt, hair, and debris stay contained until disposal. The biggest drawback of this carpet cleaner is its small water tank size, just a half gallon. When cleaning large rooms or area rugs, this means more frequent pauses to stop, empty, and refill the water tanks. However, in exchange for small capacity water tanks, the machine is more compact and easier to store than many other full-size carpet cleaners. Number 3. Our third best pick is Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe is no exception to Hoover's long history of providing quality products. This is a lightweight cleaner at only 19 pounds, but it cleans as well as some heavier models with its spin scrub technology. This model is ideal for people who do not have a need for, or the strength to handle, the heavier carpet shampooers but need more power than what the portables have to offer. It is one of the best carpet cleaners on the market and an excellent budget choice. There is an upholstery tool with an 8-inch hose attachment for cleaning difficult areas such as the stairs and couches. This carpet cleaning machine was a bestseller in 2018 to 2020, and it seems to do very well this year too. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. This intuitive steamer's motion sensing technology removes the need for a trigger or button. It automatically washes or dispenses cleaning solution when you go forward and dries or sucks when you go backwards, says one reviewer. It also seems to know exactly how much cleaning solution to dispense, according to another reviewer who declares that the Hoover Smartwash name isn't just a marketing ploy. Recently, My dog had episodes in my bedroom, they write. I noticed when cleaning the spots versus the rest of my carpet, more detergent was dispensed. The machine knew how much to dispense in every part of the carpet based on the mess underneath. And a third reviewer says this cleaner made them regret ever spending money on professional carpet cleaning services. I've never seen such an incredible carpet washer in my life. I can get rid of all debris and dirt and leave a perfect clean machine for next time. It costs so little for such an incredible tool. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is BISSELL SpotClean Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. Much like the portable BISSELL cleaner above, this BISSELL SpotClean isn't a full-size carpet steam cleaner, but customers say this one is a bit less portable because it's more heavy-duty, especially when it comes to deep, difficult to remove stains. In fact, over 1,000 customers take this steam cleaner by its name and use it to spot clean. This is amazing. I shouldn't be this excited about a vacuum, but I really am, writes one customer. She lives in a small apartment and doesn't have room for a large, bulky machine, so she needed something very efficient. This fit the bill, all the spots and stains from a variety of wine spills, food spills, cigarette ash, dissenters of my no shoes rule are gone, and the carpet looks basically brand new. Another customer is incredibly stunned by the quality of cleaning this machine does. He needed to remove pet stains and odors from a heavily used section, and this steam cleaner did the job and was lightweight enough to move from spot to spot. Plus, it comes with a small bottle of professional cleaning solution to be added into the water. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.